Ever dreamt of making some serious cash without breaking a sweat? Well, get ready because today's video is going to amaze you. We're talking about a hidden treasure trove of opportunity that's right in front of your eyes. Imagine creating books and earning a ton of money without even having to write a single word yourself. And guess what? No more writer's block, no more staring at a blank screen, because we've got a magical genie called AI to do all the hard work for you. You won't believe the amazing stuff we're about to uncover. We're diving deep into the world of storytelling, and the best part is, it's a piece of cake, even for those who aren't tech-savvy. So, stick around, because we're about to reveal the mind-blowing secrets of how you can ride the AI wave and turn your craziest ideas into a money-making storybook. It's like hitting the jackpot, but even better. But first, if you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and give us a thumbs up if you're ready to explore this goldmine of opportunities with us. If you're an aspiring entrepreneur, pay close attention because we're about to dive into the world of storytelling. We're embarking on a journey to create engaging and complete storybooks, and here's the best part. You don't have to worry about writer's block or running out of creative energy. We can leverage the amazing power of AI to effortlessly craft the entire story for us, from the very first word to the thrilling conclusion, all thanks to the cutting-edge technology of Chat GPT. The inspiration for this business idea struck me while I was browsing Amazon for potential ways to earn passive income. After some research, I discovered that children's motivational books were a lucrative opportunity online, and the competition in this niche is relatively low. Some sellers have already achieved remarkable success, earning thousands of dollars by using Amazon's KDP platform for free publishing. Let me share a couple of examples with you. One book has generated over $73,000 in revenue, while another is currently making more than $41,000. You may be curious about how this amazing process works, so let's dive into the specifics. Chat GPT is a sophisticated language model that has been trained and improved to understand proper grammar and elements of storytelling. Think of it as having a highly skilled ghostwriter at your disposal, ready to craft captivating stories that will captivate readers of all ages. The process is straightforward but truly fascinating. All we need to do is provide ChatGPT with a prompt, like a unique idea or an engaging concept, and within seconds, our AI companion weaves together a compelling and intriguing story right from the beginning. ChatGPT's creativity knows no bounds, whether it's conjuring an enchanting fairy tale or an action-packed adventure. For instance, we might ask ChatGPT to generate a title for a story, or we can come up with our own, like magical mindset adventures, affirmations for young dreamers. Then, we simply request ChatGPT to create the narrative details for us. The chatbot will then generate the chapters, each filled with vivid descriptions of the scenes, just as you can see here. Now that we've sketched out an exciting storyline, the real fun begins as we start creating the thrilling content that will keep readers eagerly engaged. This is where artificial intelligence truly excels. You can simply copy and paste the first chapter into the chat, then instruct it to craft a captivating narrative. Sit back and watch the AI weave an enthralling tale. In this instance, we've designed a motivating story. If the initial results don't quite resonate with you, don't worry. We have the ability to regenerate and refine the story until we're completely satisfied with its essence. I'm not kidding. The entire process took only a few minutes. Now we have a comprehensive story that's ready to be transformed into an engaging book. What's more, this literary gem is your ticket to passive income, all without picking up a pen. It's never been more thrilling to let your imagination roam freely. That's precisely what we can do for our story with AI art generators readily accessible. The possibilities are endless. We can experiment with various platforms. But for now, let's use Mid-Journey. It's my favorite one. And guess what? You can try it out for absolutely free. Find the link below this video in the comments section and immerse yourself in the boundless creativity of countless users generating awe-inspiring images every second. Here's how it works. Begin by starting a prompt with / and imagine. From there, paint a vivid picture of the image you desire to create. Then, head back to the story chapters you've created before using ChatGPT and pick the first one, get a visual, and type the prompt into Mid-Journey. Now that we've created these mesmerizing images, we can now merge our story with our artwork using Canva. To begin, go to canva.com and search for storybook and then choose Build a Blank Storybook. After that, Upload the AI-generated photographs to Canva and just drag and drop your first image into the design. Place your first image on the canvas, then go back to Chat GPT and use the rhymes or story that you created and copy and paste the text on top of the image on Canva. You can edit the photos with different colors and fonts that appeal to you. If you want us to make a video guide on how to use Canva, feel free to comment down below. Now, back to Chat GPT and the details of our story. Go back to Chat GPT and copy each part of the story and create the visuals to go along with the Mid-Journey. We will continue this process until we have the words and pictures complete for our whole book. When you are through, save the book as a PDF. Congratulations, you've successfully built your first storybook, a fantastic achievement in its own right. But wait, there's more to come on this exciting journey. The next step is to publish your book on Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP. This is where things get really interesting. You'll not only reach readers all over the world, but also dive into the world of self-publishing. You're not bound by traditional publishing norms anymore. You're an independent creator with the power to shape your own story. It's a space where you can explore new frontiers in writing and bring your characters to life, all while enjoying the freedom to write your own destiny. And let's not forget the star of the show, AI. You've seen firsthand how AI can seamlessly turn your creative ideas into a tangible reality. Your story, once only in your head, has now become an evergreen book. It's a creation that not only captivates readers, but also generates income. It's the magic of technology at its finest, and it's right at your fingertips. So, as you embark on this journey, remember to tap into the inspiration within you. With AI as your trusted partner, you have the power to craft a storybook that will transport your readers to unimagined worlds. It's not just a book, it's a doorway to the unimaginable, an invitation to adventure, and a bridge to your readers' hearts. The possibilities are limitless, and the future is looking bright. And that's a wrap on our exciting journey into the world of AI-powered storytelling and book creation, folks. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did, and you're as pumped as I am about the incredible opportunities that lie ahead. Now, before you go, don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more awesome content just like this. We're here to help you unlock your potential and make those income dreams a reality. So stay tuned for the latest tips, tricks, and strategies in the world of digital wealth. If you have any questions or want to share your experiences with AI-driven storytelling, drop a comment down below. We love hearing from you and helping you on your journey. And finally, remember that the world of creativity and income generation is at your fingertips, thanks to AI technology. So, keep those ideas flowing and let AI assist you in crafting storybooks that will transport your readers to unimaginable worlds while you sit back and reap the rewards. Thanks for joining us on the Digital Wealth Hive, your gateway to living life on your terms. This has been the Digital Wealth Hive, and remember to be wealthy. Bye.